Okay, so today we're going to be expanding exhaust pipe. If you have trouble with fitment, first thing you're going to want to do, and I'll put a little video clip down here, you want to clean the rust off of the male section going into the female end. You'll have a notch here. You'll see a little detent on it. And then next we're going to take an exhaust expander. So this is like a 3 or 4 inch, something like that. And you just kind of get her all set in there till it's about even. And then at first, we're going to start tightening it by hand. I bought this expansion kit off of Amazon for fairly inexpensive. I want to say it was 50 bucks. I'll take a look later. Once we kind of got it started, let's say I want to back it off a little bit. I think we're almost in too deep. We want to go about as deep as the neck. So kind of eyeball it, but get it relatively close to where it's already been widened. And then 19 millimeter on the Milwaukee, we're going to tighten it up a little. All right, let's see how this tool held up. Oh no. See? Now this is the first time that I've had to use it. I think the smaller one was used by a friend of mine at the last Chrysler place that I was at. But it just freaking bent the hell out of that thing. Okay, so be aware of the link that I posted below. This tool is garbage, but hopefully it did the job. Let's see. It did do the job. One-time use. You're gonna have those from time to time. You're always gonna run into a situation where you have a one-time use tool. That thing was cheap and poor design. Okay, and the reason why you need an exhaust expander is because these U-bolts that go over the top to hold the whole thing together compresses that pipe down, and it can be a pain in the ass putting it back, which is why you want to do a lot of pre-maintenance by cleaning it first. Well, since it's not really good for much of anything else now, I suppose it won't hurt to use it as a hammer, will it? Okay, locked in. Get ourselves a couple of loosey, wrong ones. There we go. See what size those are, but I don't think they're the same size. We'll see. Yeah, they might be 18. Alright, well I'm going to go get a mid or a deep socket. Finish tightening up that clamp. Well, that's how you expand the pipe on a stubborn exhaust with a one-use tool from Amazon. They can't all be winners. Hope you guys enjoyed today's 5-minute video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down. Sure, if you want to share, comment below. If you have any idea where I can get a better exhaust expander, please share with me. See you guys later. Deuces.